today.
It's called All My Fault.
Yeah, right.
I could blame it on the rain. I could blame it on the snow. I could blame it on the shame of another night alone. I could blame it on you for picking up my car. But to tell the truth, oh, it's all my fault. I could blame it on the moon. I could blame it on the stars. I could blame it on the tune that was playing at the bar. I could blame it on the proof of the alcohol. But to tell the truth, oh, it's all my fault. It's all my fault that you kissed me. All my fault that you liked me. All my fault that you wound up in my bed last night. It's all my fault that no other man could ever be enough. It's all my fault that you're in love. I could blame it on the blue. I could blame it on the breeze. I could blame it on the bird forever flirting with the bee. I could blame it on the roof and these four white walls. But to tell the truth, oh, it's all my fault. It's all my fault that you kissed me. All my fault that you liked me. All my fault that you wound up in my bed last night. It's all my fault that no other man ever measure up. It's all my fault, oh, that you're in love. Look out! I could blame it on the dress. I could blame it on the ring. I could blame it on the mess that we made of everything. I could blame it on the suits down at City Hall. But to tell the truth,